Hi friends, welcome back to another quick fix video. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to turn off hibernation in your computer or laptop. So it is very simple steps. Let's see how to do it. First of all, click on Start and find Control Panel. Just click on it and go to Power option. If you didn't get this, please change here Category View to large icon. So you can see the Power option is here. Just click on it and selected plan balance recommended. Just click on change plan setting. So you can see there is two options. First is when laptop is plugged in and second is when laptop is on battery. So when battery display will be turned off after 5 minutes and put the computer to sleep. Sleep means that is hibernation after 15 minutes. And whenever my laptop is in the charging, it will the 10 minutes display will turn off and the go to sleep mode after 30 minutes. So you can change. Select never for the both option. So hibernation will be turn off. Means put the computer to sleep never. Just click on save changes and close. You are done. So hope you like this video guys. Do subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.